relative velocity, VBA equals VB minus VA. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of relative velocity? VBA. VBA means the velocity of the car B with respect to the car A. So if the car B, its velocity is 10 km per hour, and the car A, its velocity is 20 km per hour, okay, so and they are in opposite directions. If I am in the car A, I will feel that the car B moves with another velocity than this. Okay, so this is our lesson about. Example 7. A car A moves on a straight road with velocity 80 km per hour, and a car B moves on the same road with velocity 60 km per hour. Find the velocity of the car A with respect to the car B if the two cars move in the same direction and if the two cars move in the opposite directions. So we have here two cases. Okay, let's focus on the first case. Let E be a unit in the direction of the motion of the car A. So let E is this direction to the right way. So E is the direction with the car A. So it is 80 E with positive, and the car B is 60 with positive also. Why? Because it is with the unit direction of motion. Okay, so the two cars move in the same direction. VA equals 80 E and VB equals 60 E. So to get VAB, it's not VBA as written in your booklet, it is VAB, the velocity of the car A with respect to car B. Okay, so the here the velocity of the car A with respect to car B means VAB. Okay, okay, so VAB equals VA, the first letter here, the same as here, and the second one here is the second here. So VAB equals what? Equals VA minus VB. So 80E minus 60E, it is 20E. So the driver of the car B feels that the car A moves with velocity 20 km per hour. Okay. Okay. So number 2, the two cars move in the opposite direction. So if VA is 80 E and VB, so it is in an opposite direction, so it will be negative. So VB equals negative 60 E. So to get VAB, it is VA minus VB. So it is 80 E minus negative 60 E. Why it is negative? Because they are in opposite directions. Let E this direction. Okay, so A will be with the same direction of E, so it is positive, and B in the opposite direction of E, so it is negative. So 80 minus negative 60, it is 140 E. So the driver of the car B feels that the car A moves with velocity 140 km per hour. Let's go to example number 8. A motorcycle A moves with velocity 50 km per hour. Its rider feels that a car B moving in the opposite direction with 110 km per hour with respect to him. Find the actual velocity of the car. Okay, so we have a motorcycle A and a car B. The velocity of the motorcycle A is 50 km per hour, and its rider feels that, okay, feels that a car B moving in the opposite direction 110. So feels that means it is not the actual velocity of B, it is the relative velocity. It is the velocity of the car B with respect to A. Okay, so it will be V, the feels that the car A moving in the opposite direction by 110 with respect to him. So it is VBA. Okay. Okay. So it will be here VBA. Okay. So what do we have here? We have the velocity of A, it is 50 in the direction E, so it is positive. And the velocity of B with respect to A is negative 110 E. Why it is negative? Because in the opposite direction. So VBA equals what? Equals VB minus VA. We already have VBA, which is negative 110 E, equals VB, it's unknown, we don't know yet, minus 50 E. So to get VB, we'll make what? To get VB, this will be to the other side with the positive. Because it's negative here, it will be positive. Okay, so VB equals what? Equals negative 110E plus 50E, so the answer is negative 60E. Do we have a negative velocity? We have velocity measured by negative. Negative means what? Excellent, means opposite direction. So the car B moves with velocity 60 km per hour in the opposite direction of the motion of the motorcycle E. Okay, so try to solve this page, and if you have any problem, contact me.